Welcome back to Easy English Stories. Today, you'll learn real-life English through everyday situations like visiting a farmer's market, ordering coffee, talking with neighbors, and exploring your community. Let's get started.
Good morning.
Morning. You're up early.
I wanted to check my email.
Any news from the bookstore?
Not yet.
Maybe they're still making a decision.
Maybe.
You've checked your email a few times already.
Have I?
At least a few times.
Okay, maybe I'm checking a little too often.
That's understandable.
I just really want this job.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you.
Thanks.
You've been checking your email all morning.
I know.
How about getting out for a while?
That actually sounds nice.
Sitting here and checking your email won't help.
You're probably right.
Let's go downtown.
What should we do?
We can walk around and explore.
Maybe grab some coffee too.
Definitely.
I could use a break.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Okay, let me grab my bag.
Ready?
Ready.
Good morning. Would you like to try a sample?
Sure. What is it?
Fresh strawberries.
Wow, they're really sweet.
We'll take a basket.
Great choice.
Everything looks so fresh.
Most of it was picked yesterday.
What vegetables do you have today?
Carrots, lettuce, spinach, cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions.
I'll take some tomatoes and cucumbers.
Let's get some peaches too.
Good idea.
Anything else?
That's all for now.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
I'd like a small iced latte.
Sure.
Light ice, please.
No problem.
Can I get a medium cold brew?
Absolutely.
That's it.
Your total is $9.50.
This place is busy.
Saturdays are always busy.
I guess that's a good sign.
It definitely is. Your drinks will be ready in a minute.
Your dog is really friendly.
Thanks.
What's his name?
Max.
How old is he?
He's about 3 years old.
He's adorable.
Thank you.
Sometimes I think it would be nice to have a dog.
I've been thinking that too.
You should consider it.
Maybe someday.
Actually, Max came from a shelter.
Really?
Yep. We adopted him 2 years ago.
That's wonderful.
Best decision we ever made.
Maybe we should visit a shelter sometime.
I'd like that.
This band is pretty good.
Yeah. I'm glad we came.
I looked online this morning.
For what?
Local events.
Did you find anything interesting?
Quite a few things.
Like what?
The farmer's market, this concert, and some free classes at the library.
Really?
They even have book clubs and computer classes.
That's pretty useful.
I think we're starting to learn more about our town.
Me too.
Liam, look at this blouse.
That looks nice.
And it's on sale.
Even better.
It's 40% off.
That's a great deal.
What do you think?
It looks good on you.
Really?
Yeah, it fits well.
If I get the job, this would be perfect for my first day.
I was thinking the same thing.
I wasn't planning to buy anything today.
Sometimes, that's when you find the best deals.
That's true. Wow, it's crowded.
Yeah, we should find a table first.
I'll look for one.
Good idea.
Text me when the food is ready.
Will do.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I get the chicken rice bowl?
Sure.
What sides do you have?
Salad, fries, or fruit?
I'll take the salad.
Anything to drink?
No drink for me.
And for her?
She'll order separately.
No problem.
Hold on.
What is it?
I'm getting a call.
Is it the bookstore?
I think so. Hello, this is Anna.
Hi, Anna. This is Sarah from Greenleaf Books.
Hi, Sarah.
Sorry to call you on a Saturday.
No problem.
Do you have a minute?
Of course.
I just had a quick follow-up question about your availability.
Sure.
Would you be available to work occasional weekends?
Yes, absolutely.
Great. That's all I needed to know.
Thank you.
We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Well,
It wasn't the decision.
but it sounds like a good sign.
I hope so.
Today was fun.
It really was.
Feeling better?
Much better.
Good.
I was thinking about the interview all week.
At least you got a call today.
That's true.
They probably wouldn't call if they weren't interested.
Maybe.
I have a good feeling about it.
I hope you're right.
Either way, you did your best.
Thanks.
We'll hear something soon.
Hopefully.
Until then, let's enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Deal.
Now, try listening at natural speed. Listen carefully.
Feeling better?
Much better.
Good.
I was thinking about the interview all week.
At least you got a call today.
That's true.
They probably wouldn't call if they weren't interested.
Maybe.
I have a good feeling about it.
I hope you're right.
Either way, you did your best.
Thanks.
We'll hear something soon.
Hopefully.
Until then, let's enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Deal.
How much did you understand? Did you catch every word? If not, listen again and keep practicing.